Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is JF and this is ITB Part 9, Intro to Blacksmithing Part 9. Again, you're going to see just a bunch of things. I'm trying to get as fancy as I can with my leaf, when you're trying to see a new guy just trying to get a leaf forged out, and he does a very good job. We're both doing good at this point. I'm ignoring some things that I really shouldn't be ignoring, but you'll see that probably in the next video or see why that's so important. But anyways, I apologize for the sporadic nature of these videos. Sometimes I post like every day for a week, and other times I don't. It's just the nature of life at this point. And if you want to see more consistent videos, you'll have to check out my TikTok. Otherwise, thank you guys for stopping by. Like and subscribe for more. Small one. So I'm kind of lengthening out a bit, just kind of what I wanted to do. Now I guess I'd ask you, because it's... Okay, I don't want to get it any longer, but I want to round this top out. Hit those corners sideways. So what do you mean by that? You're at a point it's kind of hard to show, but... like that. So you see how I'm kind of hitting those corners and I'm pulling off the front of it a little bit? Yeah. So you're kind of like hitting them at like a, almost like a, this kind of... Yeah, I'm mainly trying to just get that corner. Really, if I could hit it like this, I would hit it straight on. But I can't. So I have to hit it like this, where I can kind of bring it into the thing. Because the more you do that, now also you can do it on this. This will probably be easier actually. Do it right here. Oh, yeah. And then that way you can hit the corner. So you would just do that. So just like that. And I just need to put just the marks out. Yeah. And you could probably do it both. So I'm going to put it in a position it can heat up the whole thing. And you can probably do both of them in the same heat. Maximizing the heat time is like something you learn later, but you really want to do that because the less time you're using heat, less propane you use, quicker you get out of product, quicker you make money instead of losing money. You're wasting propane. Yep. GoPro, stop recording. Dang it. GoPro, stop recording. So what I might do, bring it up to here, thin it out a little bit more, as much as I can over here, and then cut it off, and then heat up that portion, and then lengthen it out, so that way I can make it as thin as I can, just lengthening it, and hold that with the flat tongs, and then that way I could actually make the keychain. I mean, that would probably work, because got that at a point where it's getting pretty thin. Yeah, and I can't keep hitting it like that without potentially hitting the leaf, and I don't want to do that. So if I cut it down, I can kind of control it a little more because it'll be closer, and I can work with it in the exact realm that I want to. The next goal is GoPro, stop recording. So you can keep it right here. You're gonna try to break it. Yeah, that's loud. I usually have headphones on, so I don't usually hear that. Yeah, they work as sound deadening, and they work as keeping me entertained. And you start hearing songs. I mean, you're like, there once was a ship that went to.
That's gonna be fun, actually. That's why earlier I said, listen to music and think this is gonna be like really fun.
Oh yeah. I mean, you're just like. Yeah. As someone who's very musically inclined, like myself, that's it. I was like, man, if I ever get to the point where I'm making music with the music producing software, I'm gonna record this, and that's gonna be my beat.
Just go through all your blacksmithing glitch and be like, you know what, I can make this work.
I like that one. That one's good.
You can even make a music video with it, kind of make it raw, you know?
Yeah,
doing like
nice.
Anvil stuff. Just like record it and just be like, yeah, I look cool as shit, and it sounds good.
And I'm not just faking this. This is legit. Yeah, we'll see. Stop it. Hey, we'll see. GoPro, stop recording.
Let's try this out. So we're gonna chisel it down the center. Okay. Harder. It's about right. And then I'll just do like a little branch off.
Yes. Yeah, and then you just have to like, you can look at that leaf and kind of think like, okay, these are how they go, the direction. Usually a tree or leaf goes that direction, so it always grows out, so it's gonna grow like
Towards the tip.
that. Yeah, you're gonna have angles like
almost like a
this.
V shape.
Yeah, V shape going that way. Yeah, it's looking good though. There's
It's
also
more-
another thing you can do. You can turn these into snake heads, and those are cool too.
It is starting to look more like a leaf every second.
Yeah, it is, right? It's like, dude, this is. At first, you're like, man, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. And then you're just like, wait a second, it's working. How will what?
It's working. This is how they figured it out.
Needs to shorten and stop being so fat.
It's really lengthy now.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I meant shorten because it was high off the thing, but I mean it needs to get skinny. It's too fat. Diet, my guy. Diet. It's getting there though. It looks like a branch leaf. Yeah.
Yeah, it really does actually. It's starting to get there.
What I might do is I may try to bend it around it, so this becomes more hit down this way, so that becomes more of a bend, curve, and that comes curve, and then that's a curve. It's already got that kind of idea, and if I were to accentuate that curve, it would look a little bit better, and then it would be more compact as a keychain, and then I could figure out what to do with that. I think what I'm going to do, and yours you might do differently, because you can go loop it around the so you can loop it around the front and like have the point come out that way.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to loop it around the back, but because I'm going to do that to keep it from being super thick, because if it's a keychain, then I'm going to want to enunciate this curve right here to thin it out, and then when I'm coming around the back, I'm going to enunciate this curve and point it it, make it more up, and this would be the deep part. This would be the part that bends out that way, so that's why it'll go more accentuated that way, more accentuated this way, and then this will come back around this way, so that it still only takes up a half an inch of width.
It's not
flat.
taking up too much area.
Yeah, because it's on your keys. So you don't want it to be too big. It's already a little wide, so
Yeah, so it
or a little long. So yeah, exactly. It's already a little too long, so we'll see. If I need to, I can always shorten it up though by rounding that, scrolling that end. GoPro, stop recording.
Here? No. Actually, it would be like that.
And you can put as many or as little as you want.
Yep, just like that. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, that looks great. Oh, that's great. Showing you whatever you want with it. I think it looks great. I'm kind of a chaotic person. I like my stuff wherever the frick it lands.
Describe geniuses and stuff like, oh yeah, you know, they really like smart, like all over the place.
That's true though. Slightly unsatisfied. Not doing what I wanted to, and it's rude, inconsiderate piece of. Sorry, I just need to reheat it. I just lost track of what I was doing, so that was my fault. But all right, what do you need to do? Do you need me to grab it again?
Let's see. So the next thing I want to do.
GoPro, stop recording.